Hi everyone, Adam McIntosh here, and want to quickly take you through an overview as well as a demo of our document closer application. So the application is really simple. It will clean up, close sales orders, sales order returns, purchase orders, and purchase order returns. And it makes your system just really less cluttered. And it does it all in an automated fashion. So it's really user friendly. The users don't actually have to go in and clear out the documents. As documents are fully processed, they fall out of the native window and move to the closed window. So it really just provides a nicer interface, a cleaner interface, and just a more reliable experience for users so they're not wondering where documents are. So let's jump in to Business Central and take a look at the functionality. Okay, so here we are in Business Central, and I want to quickly show the setup window for the sales and receivables setup. There is a toggle here at the bottom to activate the functionality for this app. There's a similar toggle within the payable setup as well, because the functionality applies to both sales orders, sales order returns, and purchase order returns. So I'm going to show you a quick example with the sales order. I'll take one of my sales orders here. Suppose I completely go, we'll post it and we'll ship and invoice it. So at that point, it's completely done. It's fulfilled its purpose. So from that point, you can see it's been closed. And if I open this new, or if I search for the word closed, you'll actually see there's sales orders, purchase orders, sales order returns. There's also purchase order returns there if I expand it. But I've got the closed sales order window and order number ending in 22 is now in there. And if I go back to my sales order list, it 22 is dropped off. So it just really cleans up the views, makes things a little bit easier to work with. And again, it applies to those four document types. That's all we had to show you today. Really appreciate your time. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our team.